Hey everyone. So in today's video, we have two fossil watches that do not work anymore. The batteries are dead. The first one on the left is a fossil FS5251 SET, and the battery that it takes is a SR621 SW. The watch on the right is a fossil FS4931, and the battery that it takes is a SR920SW. So to start off, we'll go over the tools that are required. Obviously, you need the new batteries. I will have a link for these in the description below on where you can find them on Amazon. And then next up, I have this really cool watch repair tool set that I also got on Amazon, and I will have a link for this in the description. It pretty much has everything that you need to repair the watches, to take the links out of this, the band here. Really everything that you need is all right here. So in this kit, you're going to want to pick up, this piece here. And how this works is the watch is actually going to set right in here, and then you just tighten this down. And what this does is it gives you a nice, allows you to get a nice grip on here, so that when we twist this back cover off, and that's really the first step, is we have to take this off, and it just twists right off. So nothing special. You have this tool here. If you spin it, these go in and go out. Pretty much you want to take it and these will go right in the grooves. And then once you get that tight enough, you can pretty much just twist. Twist to the left to loosen it, and then twist to the right to tighten it. So we'll just twist to the left, and that will pretty much take that off. There you go, you can take that off. There's the back plate. And then on this watch specifically, there is a plastic piece that is covering the battery. The battery is right under here. So we need to grab the tweezers and then just get up under there and lift this plastic piece out. Make sure you don't lose those little metal pieces right in there. So we'll set that off to the side. So now that the battery is exposed, what we're going to do is there's this little clip right here. You just need to push that off to the left so that the battery can be lifted out. And then in the toolkit, there is this little tool here that you can use, and you can just kind of take that right in this hole here and then pry the battery out. Yep, there it goes. All right, so we have the new battery. To install it, pretty much just take it and slide that in there. Should hear a click, and then you just want to make sure that this little metal piece is over the battery, holding it in place. It is. So now that that's there, we'll go ahead and reinstall this plastic piece. Should just line up like that. Before we do button it back up, I will flip it over just to check, and the watch is working now. Cool. Last step is to reinstall the back plate. So take that, twist it on, and then we'll take this tool just to tighten it down. And that should be good. Good deal, it works. All right, so next up, we're going to change the battery on this fossil watch. Pretty much the same steps. This backplate twist off just in the same fashion as the other one. The only thing for this one is it is going to make it a lot easier if we can remove this this band here. And the kit comes with this tool. Kind of looks like a little V. And what you can do is take that and slide it in here. And you just want to bring that piece this way, and that should release the band. There we go. So we'll go ahead and loosen this. This watch is a lot bigger, so it's going to require a little more space. Should slide right down in there. Tighten it down. Take this blue tool. All right, so this watch also has a plastic piece that's covering the battery, so we'll just lift that out. All right, so now that plastic piece is removed, you want to take your tweezers and you want to slide it right under this piece here. And that will pop that off. And then you can take the tweezers and push, kind of put them right there, and then push the battery right out. There you go. There's the old battery, set that off to the side. Have the new battery here. Go ahead and install that. Slide it in that way. Push it down. Push that piece down so it locks in place and holds the battery down. That looks good. We'll quickly check to make sure that the watch is working. Yep, it's working now. So now that the battery's installed, there is one step that we didn't have to do in the other watch, and that is, if it'll focus, it pretty much says here that after replacing the battery, you need to short circuit by using the AC and the plus connection. So to do that, you'll see on here it is labeled AC. Let's see if I can get it in focus, but pretty much the AC spot is right here. You can see AC. You want to hold something metal like a paper clip right here, and then right here where the plus sign is. So to do that, I'll just grab a paper clip, and then I will touch these 2 points together, and that will short circuit it. All right, next step is to reinstall the plastic piece. Should just sit right down in there. Yep, that looks good. And then we just need to reinstall the back plate. Get it on there and then twist it to the right. And then we will use the tool to tighten it down. So now that the back plate is secured and tightened down, we just need to reinstall this strap. To do that, this pin might have fallen out, so you just need to place that back in there. And then one end needs to go in the other one side, and then the other will go in the other. But we're probably going to need this tool here to help us out to push this pin down. So it's on a spring, and it just pushes right down, and then you can slide it in. So push that down. There we go. Yep, and then it's locked in place. And as you can see, this watch is now working. Good deal. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that this video helped you out in changing the battery on your Fossil watch. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe. That definitely helps out. And thanks for watching.